Good morning, everybody. Here's what's going on. We have rainfall totals that exceeded an inch for many locations. Yesterday, we saw about an inch and a quarter around Lincoln, about an inch and a half around Gastonia. Charlotte, you were so close. 0.93, only 700ths away from that inch mark. No biggie, because it was a nice rain that was really soaking throughout the morning, and then we did a nice break in the afternoon. But whenever you have a wet ground and a sky attempting to clear, you're going to have some patchy dense fog. If we were crystal clear up above, this would be a dense fog advisory for sure. We have the right recipe here. You actually see two examples looking in two directions here from Monroe, where visibilities are down to about a 2-mile range and a quarter-mile, so a dangerous drive up in Ashe County where we're seeing some of the densest fog. I think we're going to have foggy conditions on and off throughout the morning, so not the most picturesque start to the day, but it does get a little bit better. Also, our best chances for rain are right around the middle of the morning. By the time we get into the afternoon, still a spotty chance with a glimmer of hope. There is a chance that these clouds can finally start to break, allowing for a little bit of sunshine. It's also a little bit stickier today. Notice 75 feels like 76. Not a big deal as far as our heat index is concerned, but you definitely feeling a little bit more than we otherwise did. Yesterday was just chilly and damp. Here's where our next rain is coming from. Right now it's on the northeastern side of Georgia. That's pushing up from Atlanta. Here's what it's going to do over the next few hours. Really by about 8 o'clock is where we're anticipating rain around the 485 loop. Seeing a few showers and storms push up right around the foothills in between Shelby up to Hickory. And then you notice that this is slowly pushing its way further off towards the north to east. So I'd really say about 8 to noon is the best chance for rain across the greater Charlotte area. And some of that could produce some thunder and lightning. No real severe risk with it. Don't think that we're warm enough for that. Then we'll start to break the clouds a little bit for the afternoon. Our next second coming of showers and storms could arrive, I think, really northwest of Charlotte, heading into the evening hours, and then it starts to die down. Now let's talk about our severe potential. Friday is still a big question mark. I think you could have a line of storms that roll through, but the Storm Prediction Center is already showing a low to a medium threat for a stronger thunderstorm. So we'll kind of put a bookmark there. We'll see how conditions are going to lead up to that, but that by far is the best chance for heavier rain going forward. Guy Roofing 70 forecast also shows that warmer hope is on the way. We have 81 degrees, still under a mostly cloudy to an overcast sky on Thursday. Lower 80s through this coming weekend, but then boom, look at that. Back to 85 degrees next Monday, and June officially starts this Sunday, so feeling June-like almost immediately and nothing like what we just saw yesterday. That's your weather report.